Hi, wanna know how to restart your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we will need to take a look at the right panel of your phone. Here, as you can see, we got some buttons, and this button at the bottom is the power button, and this second button is volume button. So, to restart our phone, we would need to click on button combination, which is power button and volume up button. We would need to click on these two buttons at the same time to open the power off menu. And let's try it. I'll click on these two buttons, and as you can see, we have gotten into the power menu. Now, to restart our phone, we would need to hold this white circle at the center of the slider with our finger like this, and then just pull it down until you can see the reboot button become green. Now we need to release our finger, and this is it. Now our phone will reboot by itself and we don't need to do anything more. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.